Most luxury apartments give you a nice view, but this gives you a perspective shift. Come on, let's go take a look. This is the Atelier, where design, location, and lifestyle all meet at a level most people don't even think to look for. From the moment you walk in, it feels intentional. Clean lines, elevated finishes, and a space that actually feels like it was designed for how you live, not just how it looks. Inside the units, it's all about space and light, floor-to-ceiling windows, modern layouts, and just enough edge in the design to make it feel custom without trying too hard. You're getting high-end finishes where it matters, from the kitchen to the smallest details, built for both everyday living and hosting. This is where it separates itself. The amenities aren't just extras, they're extensions of your lifestyle. Whether you're working, relaxing, or entertaining, you don't have to leave the building to do it at a high level. A place like this isn't just about where you live, it's about how you move, how you think, and what you expect out of your environment. If you're looking for a place that matches where you're going, not just where you are, this one you need to see in person. Send me a message and I'll get you inside.